To make the ricotta, combine 4 cups of whole milk and 2 cups of heavy cream in a large pot. Add 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt, then bring to a simmer over medium heat. Stir occasionally and monitor closely. As soon as the mixture begins to bubble, do not walk away. I got very lucky here. If you've ever had milk or cream boil over onto your stovetop, you know that it is such a pain to clean. So watch it closely or use a bigger pot. Add 3 tablespoons of white balsamic vinegar, or whatever white vinegar you like. Stir, then let stand for 1 minute or until the mixture curdles. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth-lined sieve and let stand for 20 to 30 minutes. Periodically, transfer the whey to another vessel to allow the ricotta to drain properly. And that's it. If you've never made homemade ricotta, you are in for a real treat. It is so much tastier than almost everything you can find at the store, and the texture is so creamy and delicious. In the end, this recipe will leave you with 2 cups of fresh ricotta and 4 cups of whey. Season the ricotta with a pinch more salt if you wish, then use immediately or store in the fridge for up to a week. Save the whey. You can use it to make bread. You can also use it to thin out the ricotta, which will thicken up considerably after 24 hours in the fridge. This is the ricotta after 24 hours in the fridge. To lighten its texture, you could stir in some whey or a splash of milk or cream and whip it by hand, or you can puree in the food processor. This technique of whipping ricotta in the food processor is particularly helpful with commercial brands of ricotta. It removes all of its graininess and it gives it an almost frosting-like texture. Okay, let's make a pizza. This is the Neapolitanish style pizza dough from Pizza Night, and it's proofed at room temperature for roughly 90 minutes. Stretch the dough into a round roughly 10 inches in diameter, then transfer it to a parchment-lined peel. Spread 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a 1/2 to 1 inch border. Top with a layer of salami or soppressata or whatever cured meat you like. Top with thinly sliced red onion and pickled peppers. Stretch the dough one last time. This will bring the diameter to roughly 12 inches, then redistribute the toppings as necessary. Drizzle lightly with olive oil and sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt. Shimmy the pizza, parchment paper and all, into a 550-degree oven on a preheated baking steel or stone for roughly 5 minutes. Drop spoonfuls of ricotta over the dough, then cut and serve. And that's it. I had originally drizzled this one with hot honey, but I actually like it better without. The salami and the pickled peppers are spicy enough that the honey doesn't really add. Adding the ricotta post-bake preserves its freshness and its creaminess, and while I love that this is light on the cheese, I do think a little bit of mozzarella added pre-bake would be nice. I'll try that next time. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Bye!